In previous video we saw how to start the appium server manually, or through code how we can start the appium server. Okay, so today is my agenda to show you how you can run the one test case in multiple phone or multiple devices. That means how to achieve the parallel execution. Parallel execution in the sense the same code, you have one test case, right? One test case should be run, or multiple test case should be segregate in between or among the multiple devices. So that is the main concept of parallel execution. So I have connected the two phone here. You can see one phone, the Pixel 6, one I have connected Pixel 7. Okay, and I will execute this test case at a time, and the same test case will be executed on the both screen together. Okay, that means it's a parallel execution will happen in two phone. Okay, so that is our agenda today. So for that, what we have to do, this code you are already aware from the last session, or if you are not aware, then I will be recommend you to go with the previous session and check whatever I have shared the detail. So we have that code. Okay, one before code is dedicated for launching the server and all, and the test is dedicated for the our test execution. Okay, very simple code I am just written here. Our intention to just check the parallel execution. Okay, so what we are going to do, like the two things you have to do first. Like suppose you have the multiple devices, means multiple devices having the multiple UDID, right? Suppose this Pixel 7 having their own UDID, unique ID, Pixel 6 having the separate UDID. So for that you have to create a variable here. Okay, and you have to pass parameters in the method level itself. Okay, so whenever the test case it will going to launch, it will be take the that UDID, and on those phone only it will be start your execution. And how you will pass your parameters, method parameters at the runtime, by the help of annotation called parameters. The parameters annotation is the way you have to pass your UDID, means multiple UDID through testng. Okay, and for that you have to create this class as a testng class. So how you have to create a Java class in the testng? So just you have to right click here, go to testng, and click on the convert to testng, and your test class, means Java class, will be converted into the testng. I have created it, and it is here, testng.xml. It will be converted into the XML file. Okay, it is here. And then what you have to do, you have to define this line in the suit level. The suit level you have to define the parallel, and you have to give the information like in which level you are going to run the parallel execution. So I am going to run the parallel execution in the test level. So that's why I have mentioned the tests. And I have the two test case. One test case is here, second test case is here. One means the I'm going to run the same test case but in the separate scenario. So that's why I have created the two test case here. And one test case I have mentioned my one phone UDID, and another test case I have mentioned the second UDID. How you can check the UDID? You can go to terminal, you can just pass the adb command, adb devices, and you can see the two devices is connected. One is this one, second one is this one. I have given the same UDID here. One is here, second is here. Okay, so that means we are good to execute the test case. Let me just do one thing, make it minimize. Okay, so the device will also will appear in front of the screen, so you guys will be easy to understand. Okay, Okay, so here code is here and the two phone is already connected with my phone laptop. Let me run it and see how it will be execute together and how to achieve the parallel execution. Okay, just right click, run, and run as test ng suit. That's all. Okay, so it's going to start the server, then it will be launch. Okay, in the first phone it is launched. Now it's launching to the second phone and executing the test case. So now you can understand how the parallel execution we can achieve. Okay, so if you have any doubt and all, you can just comment out. Okay, in this video, I will try to resolve or miss. I will try to give the answer. If suppose you have some difficulty while doing this setup, but it is very simple. You can do it and you can achieve the parallel execution. That means it will be save you the lot more time, right? Suppose just think about, you have the 100 test case and you are going to run the 100 test case in a one phone. That will be also take the 1 hour, but if suppose you will be distribute those 100 test case in the two phone, then it will be just reduce the half of the time. That means in the half an hour only itself you will be complete those all 100 test case. Okay, so that is the benefit of the parallel execution. So hope you guys have understood everything. We'll see you in the next video. You can subscribe the channel also, so once a while when I will be upload any this kind of video, you will get the notification. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.